After a long road trip, the Otters return home to Bosse Field tonight. Evansville is 15-12 so far this season. That's good enough for third place in what is shaping up to be a very good Frontier League West Division. The Otters taking on Windy City tonight, and the bats were quiet early here in the fourth. That's Carlos Castro. Swing and a miss. He goes down, and then Dakota Phillips, another swing and a miss. He Ks to end the inning. Windy City on top 1-0. Bottom half, Tyler Beardsley in trouble. Bases loaded, and he handles the comebacker and starts the 1-2-3 double play. The Otters win it tonight, score 3 runs in the 8th, and win it by that final score of 3-1.